Compound interest is the most powerful force in the universe. That quote is often attributed to Albert Einstein, but there's no solid evidence he actually said it. Whether he did or not, the idea behind it is very real. In this video, I'll show you why compounding can be so powerful, and why it matters so much when it comes to investing. Compounding is simple. Your returns can earn returns. Year 1, you earn a return on the amount you invested. Year 2, you earn a return on the original amount plus the return you earned in year 1. This means your investment returns stack over time. Here's the key contrast between linear and compounding growth. With linear growth, you add the same amount each year. However, with compounding, the amount you gain each year grows because the base is getting bigger. Early on, it doesn't really look dramatic, but later, as you can see, the gains really start to increase as time goes on. The early phase of compounding feels slow because it kind of is. At the beginning, the base is small, so the growth is small. But this is why compounding gets underestimated. It hides its impact early. Later on in the timeline, the growth starts accelerating. At some point, the curve stops looking slow and starts looking obvious. That's the moment where the math starts doing most of the work, and compounding growth takes over. Next, we're going to go over a clean example. Let's say you invest $500 a month and it earns 7% per year. Early on, most of what you see is your original contribution. The gains look small. But later, the relationship flips. The gains start to dominate the total. By year 30 in this example, most of the final value comes from growth, not the original $500 a month that you put in. Now let's connect this to something practical. Assume that same 7% return and $500 per month contribution. Starting at age 25 versus 35 versus 45 produces radically different outcomes by age 60. The reason is simple. The gap is time. When you start later, you're trying to make up for lost time, potentially with bigger contributions, and that's really hard to do. So here are the core ideas to summarize. Growth on growth, your returns earn returns. Time amplifies results, compounding needs a long runway. Consistency helps, steady contributions beat perfect timing. And finally, early decisions matter. Starting sooner can be the biggest advantage. If you take away one thing, compounding rewards patience. Stay consistent, let time do the heavy lifting, and you can build significant wealth over a long period of time.